you doing, Pete? Today we brought you some bread. See? Potato bread. This is the good stuff. This isn't the crap from the dollar store. So let's see. I'm going to try some bread. Huh? I'm going to let you in a little secret here. I'm going to try and touch his knob today. Here's a big hunk. Oh, he actually bit a hunk of the bread. Cindy, she's over there, she's sick. But Pete, eat it. Eat it, motherfucker. Go ahead. If I have to come over that friggin' fence, I'm going to grab that orange ball on your head. There. Oh, almost. Almost. Okay, don't piss me off. Stick your head through there. Come on. Come on, here. Do you know how much this is a slice? Okay, you're not going to eat it? Well, let me touch that knob. I touch the knob? No? You're letting me touch your knob? Okay. Alright. Well, here's a whole piece of bread. And at least you're not being a son of a bitch today. So just let me touch that thing. Is that hard or is that soft or what? Just let me pet it. Let me pet your knob. Come here, motherfucker. You're being good today. Just let me touch it one more time. Come here. I gotta get some leverage here. I gotta get some leverage. Wait, come here. Hey, that thing is loose on your head. That's... Oh. Wait. Oh, Jesus. Oh, Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ. I pulled the friggin' thing off. Oh, my... Oh. I pulled off his beak and his knob. Oh, jeez. Put that in my pocket. I guess it's time for me to go. Jesus Christ, son of a bitch bastard. I pulled that poor duck's doorknob off. Okay, yeah, this is Joe. I'm out of here. Who knows what the fine for that? It's probably $1,000 per knob, per incident. I'll see you when I get home. This is the Duck Guardian, signing out.